This is March 13th. We're taking a look at the lawn. As you can see, there's brown, there's desiccation, there's weeds. In general, it's not healthy looking. And there's not a lot of grass pushing forth. And there's just areas of desiccation. And general weakness. You can see tire marks from the mower. That's not a healthy sign. All the way up the back side here. And up the other side. Again, it's not an extremely healthy looking turf. This is my second bout with True Green. First bout we got rid of them and I had to resod the front. And then we went to Scott's. And then 6 months later, Scott's was bought out by True Green. So True Green came back and ended up doing this for me. You can see the weeds. You can see the poor growth. As we roll around the front, it gets more excessive. I can see general areas looking like they're dying out. Not a pretty picture. This is the front yard. And you have the same unhealthiness of the grass. And when we get into the front, it gets even worse. This looks like rot. And this is one of True Green's problems. So I switched over to Heron. They're going to start shortly. And hopefully they're going to take care of this situation. And oddly enough, once I switched over to Heron, I actually got a note on the door from a blanket True Green inspector that obviously didn't know that we were a customer of theirs, and left a note on my door to tell me everything that was wrong with my lawn and how they could fix it. Well, I don't think you realize that they're the ones that caused it. And hopefully moving over to Heron will take care of that. Hopefully a couple months down the road we'll get some healthy turf. One of the first things that they suggested, which I went ahead and did, was to change the irrigation heads so the watering would not be as puddly. And so I had them install 36 of these sunburst heads so that the lawn would be watered and not flooded by 3 and 4 and 5 different types of heads. This is a slower watering, takes more time, but it gives the ground a chance to take the water in. They use various head sprays around the lawn, and so the water is up to snuff and will not be the issue. The issue now is going to be Heron's ability to bring us back to life with a healthy turf. Again, this is March 16th, 2017, stage 1 of the Heron experiment.